This is how you do a knit stitch. Holding the needle with the stitches in the left hand and the empty needle in the right, and holding the yarn to the back of your needles, insert the point of the right hand needle up and back through the top stitch on the left hand needle. Bring the working yarn around the back and down in between the two needles, and then use the point of the right hand needle to scoop that yarn through, pull it out, and you create a new stitch that you're going to leave on the right hand needle and slip the old stitch off the left hand needle. And then we do the same again. Insert the tip of the right hand needle up through the loop, the first stitch on the left hand needle. Bring the yarn around the back, down in between the two needles to the front. Then use the tip of the right hand needle to scoop the yarn through that stitch, pull it out to create a new stitch on the right hand needle, and then slide the old stitch off the left needle. Let's do that again. Insert the tip of the right hand needle up through that first stitch on the left hand needle. Bring the yarn around the back, down in between the two needles to the front, and use the point of the right hand needle to scoop that yarn through that stitch, pull it out, and we're going to leave that new stitch on the right hand needle and slide the old stitch off the left hand needle, and just move your stitches up the left hand needle as you need to. Let's do that again. Up through that first stitch, around the back with the yarn, down in between the two needles to the front, and scoop it through. And once you get confident, you can do this next motion all in one swift move. We've made a new stitch on the right hand needle and we slide off the old stitch. Up through the next stitch, around the back, down the center, pull the loop through, and in one swift move we've made a new stitch and we slide the old stitch off. And we keep going, repeating this all the way to the end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, finish the last couple of stitches, and then we're going to swap the needles over. So once again, we have the needle with all the stitches in our left hand and the empty needle in the right hand, and then we repeat. it.